Hi dear friends, today we are going to make the Chinese medicine soup for our lunch. Now let me show you Chinese medicine here. This one we say Dangsheng, and this one we say Yuzhu, and this one we say Juzi, and this one we say Zao, and also have this one Beiqi. Okay, so you can see all of them are inside already, and all of these are the chicken. So now we put the hot water inside, and then we will put the Chinese medicine inside, and then we will put this bowl inside this bowl for cooking about 2 hours. After 2 hours, we can take it out. The smell is very good and it's very delicious. Important thing is with this Chinese medicine, it can keep our health very strong, very good. Especially in the winter, this medicine can keep our body warm. Let our blood run smooth. So if you're interested for these things, we can tell you what's inside. Thank you for your interest. Thank you.